So I'm going to show you how to fix that Zoom error issue. What you want to do is you want to visit this website. So it's xsplit.com. I'll also post a link to the description. Once you visit that website, I want you to download the software. So what I need is this one right here. So download VCam. I will select that. Once I select it, it takes me to the download screen, the thank you screen, and then it gives me the download. It's downloading on my computer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this download because I already have it installed. So I'm going to go back over to that downloads folder and remove this. I'm going to delete it out the way just for now. Now, what I want to do next is, since I have it installed, I'm not going to walk you through that installation. I'm just going to pull it up so you can see over here. I have VCam XSplit. That application is there. I open it up, and this is what the application looks like, right? So when you come in, it'll give you an example of what your computer can look like. This is my original background, you can see, and I can do a few things with that original background. I can remove it completely. Let's see. So I removed it completely, so there's no longer a background on my computer, and this is doing it all through the virtual camera, right? I can put the original back. So that's my original background. You can see I have a backdrop back there, and it's a turtle up there. Like I can blur it. I can blur that background. I can also select some of these already here options that they give me. So those are the options available. And I can also blur those options too, right? Or you can come down here, you can just simply click this button and add a background. So, oh, they got YouTube videos, web page, unsplash photo. There are different backgrounds you can add. So, Unsplash, I know that it's a stock image site. So I can go on this website and I can look for different backgrounds. So you see they got some free backgrounds available for me to look at and use, right? So this is actually pretty cool. These are all of the different backgrounds and it's showing you a preview of what you can get using this tool. Now this option here, that's more advanced. You would go in here and you can like modify the brightness. You can change the contrast and everything like that. It's self-explanatory. You can come in here and play around with those things. You can zoom out, you can zoom in on a picture. But remember, you can do this with any photo on your computer. So and I believe you can do it with a video. So um, let's see. Let's close down Unsplash and let's go to add background and let's do a YouTube video. Yeah, you would paste the link in there and I guess it'll add the YouTube video, but I'll save that for another time. I want to end the video. You should be able to come in and play around with this and understand so how really quickly, let me show you how to fix it in Zoom. So let's like we still have the app open from the last session. I have it open and what I can do is I need to pull up Zoom, right? So I need to pull up Zoom and I need to open up Zoom. So Zoom is open and I want to close this. I'm going to close that. And I just want to show you how to access this camera in pretty much any of your apps. The most popular these days is Zoom. So if I'm in a meeting or I'm joining a meeting, I would just come up and um, it's already active on this camera for me. So that's why you saw that splash screen. So by default, what we would do if we come in Zoom, our camera would look like this. Like we would come in Zoom and you'll get my regular camera, right? And there's a way to switch your camera in Zoom. You go to this little caret, I call it a caret up here, and you need to switch your camera. So you can see here it says the XSplit VCam. So that VCam, that virtual camera that we already selected on the prior in the prior section of the video, it's going to become immediately available. So it's not automatic, it's a virtual camera. So that means now you have two cameras on your computer in a way, and every time you need to use your virtual camera, you're going to have to switch it over by default. So once I select this though, it'll give me my options available that I selected in that VCam camera. So now if I close Zoom, let's leave this meeting, then I open up a brand new meeting in Zoom, my camera is going to have that default background. Okay, so that's how you install it on Zoom and utilize it on Zoom. I appreciate you watching.